Accurate defect detection is essential for maintaining the highest quality standards in ceramic tile production. In this use case, the objective is to segment various types of surface defects on ceramic tiles, without differentiating between defect types. This is a semantic segmentation task with a single class, defect, which encompasses cracks, coarse granules, and breaks. Step 1. Initiate your workflow. Log into ReliUI and begin by creating a new session. In the pipeline editor, add the source image set and segmentation blocks to define your pipeline structure. Navigate to the Gallery tab and import the ceramic tile images to be analyzed. Define an annotation set name and corresponding states to initiate the annotation process. Step 2. Annotate your dataset. Utilize the rectangle or polygon annotation tools to mark the defective areas within each image. Alternatively, if you already possess a labeled dataset, you may import it. Click Import Annotated Dataset, select the COCO format, and choose the annotation file from your image set folder. Double-click the folder to review the imported annotations before proceeding. Step 3. Train your segmentation model. Proceed to the Training tab and select Semantic Segmentation as the task type. Select your dataset, define the training test split. Assign a model name. Load the default training parameters, then configure the following. Set epochs to 250. Set XY resolution to 416. Enable use tiling. Select the convergence-sensitive option. Once data synchronization is complete, click Start Training. During training, monitor progress as the loss function decreases and the IOU value improves, indicating model accuracy. Step 4. Evaluate and execute the pipeline. Upon completion of training, review the model's performance under the Evaluation tab. Return to the pipeline editor, select your input data source and the trained segmentation model. Click the Execute button to run the pipeline. On the right-hand panel, the prediction list will display labeled outcomes along with precision scores for each image. Take control of your inspection process. Own your data. Own your AI with ReliVision.